Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you about Vivo Y19 incoming call flashlight. If you're using Vivo Y19 phone and now you want to enable incoming call flashlight, so let's see how can you do this. First, let me show that you have two lights in your Vivo Y19. Here's the ring light and the flashlight. So let's see how can you enable the ring light in your phone and the flashlight in your phone. So let's do this. You just have to open your phone settings. So just tap on settings to open your phone settings, and here just scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility options. Here's that, tap on it, and here just scroll down and you will get the flash notification. Just tap on it, and here this is only for incoming calls. If you want to enable your flash notification, you just have to tap on it to enable it. Now when you will get any screen, you will get any call, so your will flashlight will enable. So now go for the setting option, and here the dynamic light, just tap on it, and here if you want to enable the dynamic light, which is a ring light of your phone, so you just have to tap on it to enable it, and here tap on turn on, and here you can easily select active period, and here the incoming call section, just tap on it, and here you must have to enable the setting, and now you can easily customize the color of the ring light in your phone. So that's how you can easily enable incoming calls flashlight. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.